Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
For today's Biztalk, we will be joined by a very prominent for his roles and appeared in several TV shows and films. And to talk about his role bilang si Greg sa upcoming Kapuso advocacy na Ang Dalawang Ikaw, please to welcome Kapuso actor Dominic Roco! Masantos si Kapusong Dominic and welcome to Mornings with GMA Regional TV!
Good morning po. Thank you for having me.
Naku, salamat din sa pagpapaunlak mo sa amin ha! Kamusta ka at ang iyong pamilya?
Okay naman, everyone's safe and everyone's doing good.
What do you usually do when you're having an off day from work?
Kadalasan I just spend my time with my brother playing online games.
Yon, naks naman ha! Pero Dominic, napatunayan mo ang iyong husay sa pag-arte dahil sa mga roles na ginagampanan mo, lalo na sa mga indie films. What do you love most about acting?
For me, what I love about acting is I could be who I want to be, and I enjoy making people happy.
Ikaw nga ay naitampok na sa iba't ibang pelikula at nakapag-uwi ng ilang acting awards. Pero I wanna ask you ha, what are the roles that will make you say yes?
Ako, I rarely turn down a role. As much as possible, I'd like to do everything that they offer me to do, and ayun, the harder the role, the better. Para
Yes.
mas ma-challenge.
Dominic, you've starred in so many Kapuso series and TV shows. What role in the past deeply affected you personally?
Siguro yung role na magkano ba ang pag-ibig mo, where I played a mentally disabled person.
Speaking of roles ha, Dominic, ano ang aabangan namin sa role mo sa upcoming Kapuso advocacy na Ang Dalawang Ikaw?
Ayan po, yung role na gagampanan ko po dito sa Ang Dalawang Ikaw ay ang kapatid ni Rita. Pangalan ko ay Greg. Ako ay isang pilay dito na sobrang overprotective sa kapatid niya at sa family niya.
And of course, how do you feel about working with Ken and Rita, Anna and other cast members of Ang Dalawang Ikaw?
With Rita and Ken, it's the first time I've worked with a love team na ganun yung passion nila sa trabaho, ganun yung commitment nila. Kahit off-cam, you could see how they support each other, and yan yung gusto kong nakakasama sa trabaho, yung nakikita mong mahal nila yung ginagawa nila. Hindi lang nila ginagawa para sa pera or para sumikat.
How similar or different are you from your character in Ang Dalawang Ikaw?
Siguro yung pinaka same trait na me and with my character Greg is we would do anything for our family. We would sacrifice everything for our families. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Dominic. Lastly, please invite our Kapuso here in North Central Luzon to watch out for Ang Dalawang Ikaw at sa mga dapat pa naming abangan sa'yo.
Ayan po, mga kapuso, sana po panoorin nyo Ang Dalawang Ikaw.
Have a great day, Dominic! Ingat!
Thank you.
Tutok lang mga Kapuso, magbabalik ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.